Here's what's gonna happen if you see a crow being tested or tested. His guts? There was a crow told to take and put the stone into the bottle that has been provided, which is filled with water.
Woo!
And it turns out that one by one, the bird with its beak, unexpected things, take the stones one by one, using their beaks one after the other as well, and put it in neatly. This is the intelligence possessed by crows, not owned by other birds. From this video, we can see patience and accuracy of a crow, and a very high intelligence. Do you guys like seeing this video? If you like it, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to share with your friends.